Hello, my name is Chiara and today I'm here to present to you the new ECONOMAX cooling tower for ice cream shops. This is an ECONOMAX product, a division of MITA, an all-Italian company that has dealt with evaporative cooling in the commercial and industrial field for over 50 years. The cooling tower is the most efficient and most common machine for cooling return water from industrial plants. This happens because the tower is able to lower water temperature by circulating it and making it reusable for the cooling of the machines, simply using the natural principle of evaporation. The cooling tower that we present to you today is in fact a green machine, thanks to its high efficiency, its very low energy consumption compared to a normal refrigeration cycle, its water-saving aspect, and its minimal acoustic impact. Thanks to these strengths and our extensive experience, the ECONOMAX tower is the ideal machine to complete an artisanal ice cream workroom. By using the tower, you will save up to 95% of water used for the cooling of ice cream shops' machines, such as batch freezers, pasteurizers, and windows. For this reason, the presence of ECONOMAX tower directly in your workroom will save you thousands of euros, the ideal investment that pays for itself quickly. Moreover, the ECONOMAX cooling tower can be eligible for non-repayable grants and tax deductions. Ask for more information. Let's look at the machine. Just like other industrial towers produced by Mita, ECONOMAX is fully created with lasting, non-corrodable materials, such as fiberglass used for the body and stainless steel for the supporting structure. Moreover, we designed the tower so that it is extremely compact and mounted on wheels. This allows you to easily position it inside or outside your workroom with no variation in its performances. The internal components, all of the highest quality, are fully managed by an inverter. This makes a great difference since it ensures very low energy consumption and it reduces noise emission to the minimum. You'll get rid of all of those annoying on and off noises of traditional solutions. We demonstrate our experience by offering an industrial PLC programmed with preset functioning parameters that regulate its functions dynamically and allow optimization of efficiency and consumption in real time. When needed, you can easily monitor and regulate all parameters directly from the touchscreen. Within the tower, you can find the main components, which are the circulation pump, managed by the inverter that pushes the water from the tower through the hydraulic system up to the machines that need cooling. The characteristics of our pump make it perfect to serve any type of workroom, even the most complex ones. The electronic fan that is very quiet and blows air from below against the water flow. Also, the fan is regulated by the inverter through a temperature probe. The spray nozzles that distribute hot water on the heat exchanger used to cool down the machines. The temperature probe that regulates the fan, the monostat that regulates the pump. On the front, we can see the anti-dust filter designed for easy removal for cleaning, which also prevents dust aspiration. Lastly, the very important touchscreen control panel that allows you to see and modify all parameters at any moment. Installation. Let's quickly look at the installation. To recycle water, the ECONOMAX tower requires the simple creation of a loop system between the tower itself and the workroom machines. This way, the circulation pump can send water to the whole system, making it go through the heat exchanging material with which the pump is equipped and sending the newly cooled water back to the machines. After securing all the hydraulic connections from the main system to the machines, the input tube from the main water supply is connected to the tank of the tower. At this point, we proceeded to opening the input tab and wait until the tank is filled. Usually this operation requires 2 to 3 minutes before the float valve closes automatically. To ensure safety, there is a protective measure that won't allow the machine to start if there isn't enough water in the tank. Now let's see how the ECONOMAX tower works. To switch on the tower, turn the main selector and wait for the software to load and for the white and blue lights to turn on. In case of emergency, you can turn off the machine at any time by pushing the red emergency button. Now you can choose which mode to start the machine in. There are 3 options on the main screen: manual, automatic, and timer. Manual mode. Push the manual mode button, then with the start and stop buttons, you can start or stop the machine depending on your needs. Automatic mode. Push the auto mode button and then the start button. This way, the machine will start and stop automatically anytime one of the production machines is powered on. The tower will start working. Timer mode. Push the F3 button to access the machine settings. From here, under User menu and Weekly Clock Ignition, you can easily select the days and the times that you would like the machine to operate. To go back to the Home menu, press F1. Now press Timer and then Start. The tower is now in timer mode and will work at the set time. Through the menu screen, you can also set the parameters for different functions, including cleaning and maintenance date and indicating the times to reduce the maximum rotation speed of the fan to further reduce noise emissions during the night. By pushing the F2 button, you can access the layout screen that allows you to monitor the parameters of the entire machine and system. Through this screen, you can always control the tower's functioning parameters and check the pump and fan speed, as well as water pressure and temperature. With the F4 and F8 buttons, you can access the Alarms menu, where all the alarms are shown in case of needed maintenance or malfunctioning. Cleaning and maintenance. Tower maintenance is an extremely easy but essential operation. All the internal components are easy to access for carrying out inspection, maintenance, and cleaning, thanks to the 2 large hatches placed on the sides, one with access to the tank and the other to the honeycomb heat exchanger. You can easily extract and substitute the filling materials by buying replacements. You should substitute it about once a year depending on the condition of the material. Always ensure that no channels are blocked by limestone deposits or dirt, so that water can always flow freely to be cooled as efficiently as possible. To clean the tank, you can simply empty the tower from the Output tab on the back and remove the lower panel. Thank you for your attention. For any questions or to schedule a visit directly to your laboratory, contact our technical office. We will for sure find the perfect solution for you. Thank you very much again and have a great day.